Hello, gerontology students. I'm Dr. John Dyson. Thank you for joining in on this class. And I just wanted to give you a little introduction before class starts. Now, Monday the 24th, we will be meeting on Zoom. It's a university-wide initiative that those meetings take place on Zoom to help lessen the footprint inside of the Concordia campus. So to do that, you're going to be going to our course content page, and you'll be seeing the Zoom link that's here. And you'll have a couple of ways you can do that. Simply by tapping on Join Zoom Meeting, you should hopefully have the Zoom utility loaded from last semester. Now, our classes are going to be face-to-face, and that is the intent. But things, of course, as you know, can change very rapidly, very quickly, if the conditions of the pandemic should warrant that we go to Zoom again. We are quite prepared for that. As you go through the course, you're going to scan down on the screen that you see here, and you'll find the course syllabus and weekly schedule. I strongly encourage you to look through the syllabus. There's some changes in the language this semester that you should be aware of, and I want to make sure you read through that and bring any questions you have to that first class. Look also at the weekly schedule. It'll show you the different projects that we are doing through the course. It's an overhauled course from what it's been in previous semesters there, and I think you'll find it a good one as we learned about the chronic conditions that the gerontological population experiences and take a little bit different look, a little bit different perspective on this. So make sure you read through the syllabus, look through the weekly schedule, and you can also read up on the weekly projects that are due as well. When things get closer toward the end of the week before class, look under week 1 classes and you'll find PowerPoint presentation slides. Now, I don't just stand up there and read a PowerPoint. We actually get engaged together on it. But the week 1 classes will have some slides that you can either be prepared to take notes on online, or if you still prefer to print them out, you can do that. And when our face-to-face classes begin on Friday, later in the first week, you can bring them to class as well. We're encouraging you to try to bring the electronics, so you're welcome to bring your laptops to class and take notes on that. As you scan through the course, you're going to find each class week is available through the whole course. Now, there's some other material I'm prepared for should conditions change, as we said there. But our goal is to go face-to-face. But remember, Monday the 24th of August, our first class, 8 o'clock a.m., will be on Zoom. Look forward to meeting you, and look even more forward when we get together on Friday then for the first time in a face-to-face class, though we'll all be masked up. And that will be an important thing to check through in the syllabus. The use of masks is a university-wide requirement, both in the hallways and in the classroom setting. You'll have them, I'll have them, and we keep safe so that we can keep having face-to-face classes. Now, if you have any questions, please email me. You have also my cell phone text number for texts only that you can use if you have any questions as well. Again, I look forward to seeing you and meeting you, and thank you very much. Have a great day.